Now let's check out the stock-related transaction modules. First of all, let's check out the stock adjustment module. Here we can adjust the stock by adjusting the quantity from here. User can add new stock adjustment details. Editing and deleting existing adjustment details are also possible. We can select the adjustment number, adjustment date, warehouse, account name, and type from the top portion of the stock adjustment module after click on the new button. Here we can select two types from the type list box. The first one is issue, and the second one is the receive. While adding an item in stock adjustment after selecting issue as type, the quantity added in the stock adjustment module will minus from the existing stock of that item. While adding an item after selecting receive as the type, then the quantity added in the stock adjustment will add with the current stock of that item. The user can select the ledger from the account name list box, and also create a new ledger right away from this module by click on the new checkbox. Now let's check how to add items in this module. We have to double-click on the item name field to add the items. Double-click on the item name field will pop up the Find Item page, from where user can select the items. There we can select the UOM, batch, quantity, etc. User has to right-click on the mouse to add another item in this module. While right-click on the mouse will pop up an Add and Delete button. User can add or delete items using these buttons. We can save the stock adjustment entry by click on the Save button. Click on the Save button will pop up a dialog box that asking do you want the print. The user can click Yes if the print is needed. User can use the Find or Edit button to edit or delete existing entries. While click on the Find or Edit button will show all the existing entries, from where user can select the preferred entry. Now let's move on to the Stock Transfer module. This module is used to transfer items from one location to another. This is used when staffs need to transfer an item from one warehouse to another warehouse. User has to click on the New button to start the module. Here we can select the transfer number, transfer date, transfer from, transfer to, and done by, from the top portion of the module. User can select the warehouse from the Transfer From list box, which is the warehouse that transferring the stock. And also user has to select the Transfer to warehouse from the Transfer to list box, which is the warehouse that accepting the stock. Like as we done in the stock adjustment module, we can add items in this module by double-click on the item name field. Double-click on the item name field will show the Find Item page, from where user can select the items. Here we can select the UOM and quantity for each items. Right-click on the mouse will pop up the Add and Delete button. Using these buttons user can add or delete items. User can use the Save button to save the entry. Click on the Save button will ask for the print. If the user wants the print, then the user can click on the Yes button will print the entry. User can use the Find or Edit button to edit or delete existing stock transfer entries. Now let's move on to the Stock Analyzer module, which is used to analyze the item stock. We can sort out and show the item stock details in different ways. We can show the items with respect to the available stock. We can use the radio buttons placed at the top left corner for this purpose. User has to click on the Show button to show the details after selecting the radio button. We can see all the items details if the All Radio button is selected. Likewise, we can sort out using expired, stock plus, stock minus, zero stock, and reorder criterias. And also we can search the items with quantity greater than a specific quantity. To execute this function we can use the stock greater than radio button. We can also enter the specific stock in the box that placed besides the stock greater than radio button. We can also analyze the movement of the stock using the movement radio button. User can also search the stock details by stock date. To enable date-wise sorting, user has to tick the stock date checkbox, and then user can select the preferred date. Here we can also check out stock of specific items, brand, category, size, and color by using the fields placed top left corner. If the user wants to show the details of a specific item, user can click on the search button placed besides the item field, that will pop up the Find Item page, from where user can select the specific item. Likewise we can select the brand, category, size, and color. We can also sort the item stock with respect batch-wise. To enable the batch-wise sorting, user has to tick the batch-wise checkbox. We can take the print by click on the print button. Now let's move on to the print barcode and price inquiry module. This module is used to print the barcode directly. Or we can fetch the item by click on the search button placed besides the barcode field. Then there will pop up the Find Items page, from where user can select the item. There will show all the details such as barcode, item code, item name, sale rate, stock etc. Then the user can print the barcode using the print button. To print the barcode, user has to enter the number of prints needed in the number of print field.